Hello. Here's something interesting. Price as a distraction from the essence. Price is the most effective distraction the market has. It diverts attention from the question of what something is to the question of how much it's worth at this moment. In that shift of focus, depth is lost and speed is gained. Essence is replaced by signal and understanding by reaction. Price acts objectively. It's a number. Precise, clear, easily convertible. That's precisely why it's trusted. But price is not the truth. It's a current agreement of emotions, expectations, and fear. Nevertheless, the human mind loves simple indicators. It's easier to look at a chart than to think about the system's structure. Thus, price becomes a substitute for thinking. When the focus shifts to price, the need for understanding ceases. There's no reason to delve into technology, into architecture, into long-term consequences. Everything boils down to the movement of a number. Up means good, down means bad. The world becomes simple, but wrong. In that simplicity, context disappears. Price changes constantly, from minute to minute, from hour to hour. Essence changes rarely. Sometimes it remains the same for years. But constant change attracts attention, while stability seems boring. The market uses this. It keeps the focus on what moves, not on what lasts. Attention,